Thank you for joining me again on another edition of the talk show. As you know, my name is Peter Pan and you're watching Peter Pan TV. On today's edition of this show, I just want to quickly talk to my African brothers back home and abroad. You know, for me, I'm always having problem with African people. Me and I will continue to have problem with them. You understand? Because always, we don't think forward. We're always thinking backward. You get me? And for those of you who are planning to travel to either the Middle East, Asia, even within African states, or you want to go to Europe, or South or North America, it is good to do so. You understand? Whoever told you not to travel, that person is a witch. Anybody will advise you, may you not travel, that person is a witch. You understand me? I am of the opinion that people should travel to gain more experience and understand it, to see the other side of the world. Because when people are confined in a place, they think say na so the thing be, not be so e be. But where they get problem, now where black man they always think say every opportunity where they give them na to extort a fellow black person. That's where I always have problem. You understand me? For weeks that has gone by, I've seen people that came to you. I saw them in UAE to say, but you guess what? In UAE, we have two categories of visa. We have the tourist visa, we have the employment visa. There are other visa also that are, like diplomatic visa, but I'm just talking about the most one that people are, familiar with, which is the tourist and the employment visa. The way most of our brothers, our African brothers, are extorting their own fellow brothers, especially they'll say, "Now my brother, he's my family member." The way they are extorting to do common tourist visa is alarming. It's just too much. I couldn't head back because just a few weeks alone, I've seen a lot of people. And let me even shock you people self. Most people would think say na only Nigerians have been do scam, now they collect money. They say lie yo. All this one I am telling you now, it is not even a Nigerian. You understand? I came across some Ugandans 2 weeks ago, and we were just chatting, and they told me, say they pay for 1 month visa, they pay almost 600,000 naira for Nigerian money. That's what they paid for tourist visa. That is around $1,200 plus. I saw another one again for Liberia. That one at $1,600 to $2,000 for 3-month visa. No ticket, no accommodation, no job. For those of you who keep promising them job in UAE or any other part of this country or any other part of the world, just know that your father does not have any company in this place that you'll be telling people you have a job to give when you have not even given yourself a job. Yes, how can you be promising people job, that you are going to give them a job, they are going to work, they are going to do this, and you know your ancestors don't even have any job here. You take their money, you extort them, only the name of say, "Now my brother, now my sister, he not fit cheat me, he cannot kill me." But you take that money and you give them just ordinary tourist visa. No job, no ticket, no accommodation, no feeding, no transportation. You that is looking at me now, that is always engaged in doing that, when are you going to change? You have to change. And to you people back home that want to travel, like as I said, it is always good for us to have the plan to travel. But why we Africans, before we leave our home, we don't do research to know where we are going? It is when we get to that country now, we start doing researching about the country. It is not nice though. We have to start doing research before we leave our home. You don't get me now? Because all this always somebody will come take somebody money, you will come chop somebody money, you will come go do one. You will take money for employment and give tourist visa 1 month, 2 months. It's not fair. So I encourage you all back home. If you want to travel, it's good to travel. It's very sweet. But know where you are going and know who you are dealing with. This one they say, "Now my brother, no fit cheat me." Let me tell you, if the rat wey dey inside house cannot kill you, the one outside will never come inside to kill you. You understand me? You have to be wise. Do your research. Ask questions. Know what you are into. Know how much is a tourist visa. You can't be paying $2,000, $3,000 for just 3-month visa. Are you applying for 10 years? Even 10 years visa, how much is it? That you'll be paying $2,000, $3,000. Some will pay $4,000. Only the name of say you want to travel. It's good to travel. Again, don't be desperate. Use your economy. You have to be wise. You understand me? To avoid problem at the end of the day, because boys are angry o. I dey chook. People are vexing. Once they see you like a prey. They will just chop you. You understand me? I don't do visa. Don't contact me, ask me for visa. I don't do visa for anybody, and I cannot direct you to anybody. But I'm just telling you, if you want to live anywhere, you just have to be, you know, you just have to be aware of who you are dealing with and where you are going to. I will see you guys again. My name remains Peter Pan. Until I see you again. Thank you for watching.